Hola, hermanos. Hola, todos. Hermanos. What's up? What's up? How are y'all doing? How's everybody doing? I hope y'all are doing great. I hope everything's good. Yeah, let's just start, man. Let's get it started really quickly. From the get-go, I took a short on YM, and I just took a break even now, bro. I was expecting the low to expand into that low, but nonetheless, there was an entry here that I took. That was the entry that I took. We can cover it later on. Moved my stop somewhere in here to break even, and then I got taken out of break even. Let's continue. That's it. I'm letting you guys know. Daily. Ideally, I want to see like further continuation lower. Like this 6 a.m. was just like we created a new gap. I was expecting like further continuation from like an hourly swing from a two-stage PSP here. It was really clean on YM. Where's YM? Here's YM. But like this clean two-stage PSP. Let me just take that off and I'll put it back on. I don't know why I have to do it, but yeah. They were at that two-stage PSP from this forward gap, so. Yup. Then we just boom. And from that C2, price just ripped to the upside. But let's see. For now, I'm just gonna be taking my hands off, and then I'm just gonna wait for 10. But so far, man, just looking at this PA, it's just, yeah, price is just bullshitting the whole day. Like it's just, yeah. So two setups that we can look for. We're from the low of day now. We're trading away from the low of day. Failure to manipulate one of these levels to continue further up. I saw like one of Garrett videos. He said like that you can also like use the new week opening gap. I saw like one of his recaps. I don't remember when it was. I think like the latest one. I don't know. He posted it on Twitter. And yeah, like maybe you can use this one. That's like it's an extra confluence for me swing here and there's a gap. So, but again, that doesn't really matter. Yeah. So that would be the case. We just traded above a high. We still got like this failure swing here. So are we gonna just kind of retrace back, form a gap, then continue from it to that high? That would be an ideal setup, especially that we're kind of trading a little bit far from the current low of day. If not, then we're just gonna go ahead and adapt. But so far from the get-go, it's just this PA has been a little bit troublesome. Like literally this exact same model that I was looking for. This exact same setup. Look at that. We got the PSP, then we traded a higher high, we took out a low. This is literally the exact same model that we had today. Look at that. Two-stage PSP, but yeah, price just kind of reacted off of the AQ of the range. Reacted out of the gap, or this gap, or whatever, so. 30-minute, do I have like it's changing state on, yeah, like maybe like just kind of this order block. Reacted off of it, so. I was up like a decent amount here. Like I was up a really good amount, and then it is what it is. This was my trade. Something like this. Holy shit, it ran for fucking 3 hours, and then I got a break. Holy. Anyways. So, yeah, that's really it for Nasdaq. Let me see gold. What is going on? Wow. Let me see what happened with gold. The market is not really cleanest for now, but I'm looking for that high to get taken. I think that's a 4-hour high, if I don't remember. Yep. It's kind of close proximity high to that level, or you can go for the gap. But so far, again, what this reminds me guys of, like this exact same PA reminds me of that ES short that I took when there's nothing to the left. So what you can do is just wait for pullback and then target the current high of day. That's all what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take my account safe. I'm just gonna trade this week safely. At least close amount, just up more, and then yeah, probably start the new month then with like a new vision. But yeah, so far. We get this high, so it's kind of close proximity high. I'm sure this is like an hourly or like a 30-minute, or at least, yeah, that's like an hourly high. So we can still expand into that high. But ideally, just form a gap, continue from it. Like, yeah, I'm just gonna keep it this way. Yeah, ideally. Before trading into that high, I just want to see if there's to manipulate this high. Probably like a 30-minute or M15 gap would do it. Yeah, because we're already expanding. Next M15, like 45, this one is gonna close now in like 4 minutes. Then the next candle just kind of retraces back, form that gap, and we have some sort of strength switch here. It doesn't really matter. I don't need these strength switch. I just need a one-stage cracking correlation and a continuation up to the upside. That would be the setup that I'm looking for, man. Let's just go to silver. See what's popping. Yeah. So far this is the strongest. Let's see if probably silver kind of forms that high. That would be ideal. If we kind of retrace back and see that silver now is putting in that high to expand. That would be good. This is that strength switch for the anticipation for the SMT break. Yep. So that's really it. That's really for gold. I'm just gonna keep it really basic, man. The daily is expanding higher. Look at that shallow opposing run. So I wouldn't really be thinking about sales. 6 hour also just like two straight back. Like this is an expansion candle. This is not. This is an expansion candle. Like 1800. Look at the range of Asia. 4 hour. We have just like formed the C2 and now we're trading away from this C3. So I don't want to really go against it too. Let me check. Do I have any PSPs here? Not really. Neither a cracking correlation, neither a PSP. Maybe like M15 if we try to force it. Nah, there is not. But like I like these swings. Like when it kind of filters this place and we get the CISD, like on M15, like you can now trust that this is the low of 6 a.m. and like just take a market execution. And this is something I've been working on lately. Because I don't really look at the 4 hour that often. So I'm just now sometimes I just want to profile the 4 hour candle based off the M15 and just take like a more, not a swing, but more like an intraday play. Just let it play out like the whole session. Like in that case, I would probably go for like 2R, just static 2R, which is just a little bit beyond the high. So in that case, I will be managing my stop. But yeah, that's something I'm working on. Once I'll start trading this way, once I add this on my intro, I will let you guys know the whole process of how I go about it, so that you guys also can manage to do it. Because if you really check, like most of the M15 low, like the 4 hour lows, like if you really check this 4 hour candle, how we profiled it. Like if you're within a gap, trade into the EQ of the gap, M15, probably there is a CISD. And especially when we kind of just close within, like expand within like a candle or two, you can trust that we can go catch up to that same high. So yeah, that's something I've been working on. And now somebody would tell me, oh, why is this not the high of 6 a.m.? Why wouldn't you not look at this, the high 10 a.m.? Like look at the previous 4 hour candle. SEC2 from a gap. So this is the drawn liquidity. So this is where kind of profiling comes in handy, and also daily profile. So I would not be looking at this as the CISD to take short. I would be looking at this for continuation away from the low of day, new invalidation level, and then continuation. Let me take that off. This on Friday. So yeah, I just all right. So we got the high taking on silver too. So now it's just gotta wait for a new phase of price, new swing, and then a continuation. So I'm just gonna take it safe. This is Monday, so there's no rush. I'm not really gonna try to rush price now. Yeah, this is what I took the entry. That's what I had my TP at on YM. Yuppie. And here in that case, I was like, wait, why did I put this? I put this alert for a CISD once we traded above the high. I was like, oh, if we see CISD, I'm just gonna add more. And then it just kept pushing and pushing and pushing. Because I like there was an M15 two-stage here. There was an M15 two-stage here. So I was like, oh, I'm just gonna like look for more shorts. With like this retracement back into a gap, I'm just gonna kind of load up more to go for the lows, but yeah, just rip to the upside. Oh wow, look at NQ. NQ is expanding lower. So we just gotta wait. We gotta wait for now. This is like for oil trade. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put in oil here. CL each O. Take that off. Also, I was looking for shorts, by the way, on here. Yep, I just like this CISD forming the previous high of week. I was like, maybe we're just gonna continue from this gap to the lows, but we did not. So yeah, let me clean the drawings, man. For that day, I would be willing to take shorts since there is no close proximity high. Like the next close proximity high is like irrelevant swing is like all the way up here. So I wouldn't really be worried about. I would be willing to take some shorts. Oh wait, let me put this one. Let me put it back on my speaker. Okay. So I would be willing to take some shorts here, but not into the lows. Probably just to rebalance the range. Like a quick scalp on an hourly. Probably into this gap. Like if we form a two-stage cracking correlation, I'll be looking to trade back into the gap. So I wouldn't really be looking to go beyond it. Just give me 2R and I'm out. So that would be another idea that I would be looking for today. And yuppie, that's really it, man. Just trying to keep it basic. I'm not really gonna go crazy today. Just yeah, look at that daily candle. Just trade it below the low. This is like more of a when we take out of the high and the low of the day, it's just you know that this is like a day you gotta be cautious of. Like because most of the days we just take one side of the range and then we expand. Like in that case, yeah, we did expand beyond the high. But if you really check, most of the days we just take like one side. For example, we take the low. Here we take the high. For example, that day we just took the high. Look at that day. Even when we manipulated the low, we did not take out the high in the same day. Here too. So when you see that, like for example, in that case, we take the low and the high. So ideally, you don't want to be going against it. So and still we have another draw on liquidity here on each O. So this is probably that failure to manipulate Now we're confirming this order block. So if each O by tomorrow did not take out that high, this is like a 100% is gonna get taken out. Almost 100%. Especially with confirming this CISD from a gap. Yeah, you can just trade like the next day model. Just look for an hourly swing. Like for example, by tomorrow we did not take out that high. Just look for a retracement into a key level. As soon as you get that C2, you can take it to the upside. If you wanna trade it as the next day model. Anyways, boom, let me check the chat. Yo, what's up, what's up? What's good? I'm good, man. What about you? Hey, what's up, Poochie? I'm here. Mystical beat since 2001. Yo, what's up, what's up? Oh, bro, a lot of messages have been taken out. I don't know why. Who deletes the messages? I don't know if you guys took them out or I don't know, but yeah, like four messages have been retraced. A gold 1.7 hour book right now. Perfect, man. Perfect. Really clean. Really good, man. Good job, buddy. All right, so for the time being, let me go. Let me see what I want to trade. Let me see. Wow, interesting. Interesting. So I'm just gonna go to 4 hour. 2-stage PSP. Not really a 2-stage. Let me go to Nasdaq. Yeah, it's a 2-stage. We have a 2-stage P. We might have a 2-stage here. But like still, like the idea is still valid now. Just kind of like 1800 expanded lower, shallow opposing run. Shallow opposing run. We're still respecting that open. The opening price. Like we're still trading and also the high, so we're still respecting that new invalidation level that was formed. Yeah, so now I'm just be willing to kind of take shorts now. Especially if we confirm this CISD. Yeah, I'm just gonna be willing to take shorts to the downside. So let me see the 45. It just closed right now. Alright. Let me see. I might be willing to take this one. I really want to see like a bit of a deeper retracement back to the gap. Probably somewhere in here. Retrace back. Take this high out and then because we just traded below a relevant swing. So yeah, ideally. Look how why I'm just expanding lower. Now we're just gonna start expanding to the lows. So like the drone, my drone liquidity was valid, but it's just the timing that was not. Like look, I was real close to the drone than just. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put an alert here, just to be aware of what's going on. ES. I think I like ES more. I think I like ES a bit more. So what do we got? The hourly. We have like a 2-stage PSP. So we're just kind of reacting off that new week opening gap, that new weekly opening gap. There's no relevant swing here that was taken out. Like these are more failure swings. This one's like more of a relevant swing compared, like just based off the distance. It's looking good, but let's see. And we got a lot of lows here, but again, there are a lot of manipulation lows that I don't want to trade into. Like for example, that low. I just want to be willing to trade into this level, or just ideally, I just want to be out by here. Ideally, like if I want to take short, yeah, like I get this open, especially now we traded into a relevant swing, which is this swing here, which is more of that support. I just want to see price like retrace back, give like a shallow opposing run. See how he's dead now. I just want to take it out here, just a little bit beyond to get that 2R. That would be it for me. I wouldn't really be looking for much, especially now, just like how the markets have been behaving for the past, I don't know, week or so. I think more. Yeah, 10 days. It's just your range bound market. And if you really check the extremes, like if you take the lower the range, higher the range, literally sitting at the EQ, and now I'm just taking my short into discount. Like I want to take a short in discount. It's not really the smartest. So, but ES, more of like a premium into the range. Like yeah, this is like almost extreme premium. Yeah, so let's be a bit patient and then see what's gonna happen right there. And by the way, guys, does anybody know what happened to Justin Werlane? I was about to watch his video. I put it on my save to watch later, and then he took it off. So if you guys know what happened to Justin Werlane or what he said on that video, you guys can let me know. After the market runs the old high, which is the relevant level, how we know it fails to manipulate? Either with a new swing formation or lower time frame manipulation. This is what I use. Yes, he did. Yeah, exactly. They deleted it. So I don't know what was there. Like some people said, he claims like he came in clean and said that he was not profitable and stuff like that. So I'm not sure. He said he's not profitable trader and his net on he admitted that he's a break-even trader. He outed himself. Holy. Yeah, because I saw one of the videos. Let me see. Let me see the video. I put it on save. I was like, let me check it out later on. I'm like, that's what they said. Like, so I didn't know like if it was true or not.
Big news for the trading community. Justin Werland just posted a YouTube video explaining how he just LARP his entire career. For those of you who don't know, he's a trading mentor. He runs this big group. He teaches ICT concepts. Apparently, just from trading, he's around net break even. I'm not surprised at the fact that he didn't make any money, but
I'm
not surprised at the fact.
Like one of the I have not made 700k. I wanted to put it down what the billions. I don't know why it came out clean. I don't know. Like there's something behind. I don't know. It came out clean before something happens. I don't know. But damn, bro. Yeah, he basically earns from his mentorship, which one? Ooh, 4k. That's a lot. Damn. Bro, how the fuck can you trust somebody now? What the fuck? It's really tough to trust somebody now. Like I really respect Justin Werling, like based off like the content he puts out and stuff. I was like, he seems like a legit guy, but damn, it's crazy, man. Yeah, exactly. That's what I was thinking. Like, why would you put a video that like that would just like to kind of backfire yourself? So there's something that is coming about him soon enough. So that's why I was like, oh, let me just come out clean first. I don't know. He said he's gonna re-upload a more in-depth video on his IG. Let me check his IG. Where they put it on IG or what? No, let me just go to Justin Werling.
Breaker structure on 1 minute and it went down, but
That was like a bit. Let me check his Twitter. On Twitter, okay, let me check. Justin Werling. I don't think I follow him on Twitter. I do. DMs getting blown up. Took the original video because it was rushed and didn't clarify what I wanted to. Will be making a new one and posting it. I was fully aware when I made the decision to be plastered on the internet, but really I just wanted to talk fresh with everyone on myself. This post was not. I was saying everything is a lie. And that's why I took it a little down the reality. Just asking for patience talks. I really want to see the full video. Nice. But bro, that takes a lot of courage to do it, man. To come out clean, wow. Just interesting. Look at silver. So the weaker asset is actually still the weaker asset. He got to the draw the latest and then he just reacted off of it. This one is strongest, he got to it first. And then yeah, so let's just see what's gonna happen right there. I like Justin Werling's content, bro. Like his content is really good. And the quality and like he's doing a really good job with the content. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, boys. We got 40 viewers here and only 14 likes. Come on, man. Come on, bro. That's like what? 30% of the likes? Like 10% of 4. It's like 4, 18, 16. Like 37% or like 36% of the likes. Come on, man. We at least need that to have like a 70% like ratio. So if you guys haven't hit the thumbs up already, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And thank you guys for the channel because it's really growing. It's sitting at 1700 now, which is just wow, mind blowing. Like 1735. Like you just thank you guys so much. I think we'll get to 2K. I think before I don't know, before like 2 months, probably. If we keep going the same, if I keep pushing out like this, if I keep doing like these live streams and stuff, I think I'll probably get to 2K by the end of maybe even March. By the end of March. Like the video. Oh man, thank you, buddy. At least the honest, like yeah, that's so true, man. Like to come out like that, bro. There are a lot of people that got exposed and they still say that all that came out lie. But like to come off just by yourself and say, wow, like that's like that takes a lot of courage, man. So really a lot of respect, man. A lot of respect. So let's see. We still got 2 minutes for the candles close. And then we can see what's up. And at some point, man, I want the channel to grow to a point where every day, I don't know if you guys would be down for the idea because that would probably hurt the live streams, but I would be down to have like each day, like at least like a day of like 1 day or 2 days a week to have like somebody to do a live stream with. Like for example, one day like I don't know, Justin Worley and a day Garrett or a day AFAS or another day Jay or just like that. So that would be really great. That would be really good. Was there no framework to trade YM down? Nah, bro. For me, nope. Yeah, there you could not. Like if you want to take this one, bro, like this candle doesn't really support expansion. Like even if you want to take a short here, even if this is a two-stage PSP, it doesn't support. It doesn't support. That would be crazy. I will try it out, bro. I will see if the channel grows to the point where I can. Yeah, because if you're gonna bring somebody to your channel, they have also to benefit something. So that would be really great to happen. But would the traders be down to do it? I'm not sure. So well, at some point, probably when the channel is 2,500 or I don't know 2,600, I'll try to reach out to Tanja. I'll try to reach out to stuff like that. I don't know, and I would love to have Garrett on stream. I would love to have Garrett on stream. Because he did show up, like, I don't know, like 2 weeks ago to stream. He just posted, like, a comment and, like, 2 comments and then he left. But, yeah, it would be, like, like, all the viewers are here because of your concept. So, it would be good to have you here. That would be great. Yep. But first, you gotta build social media presence, and that's the only thing that that I'm not doing right now. I'm just leaving IG there. So like IG would be the one that makes it easiest for me to kind of reach out to other traders. So up the volume. Okay, let me check. Can y'all hear me now better? I think now it should be better. Yeah, I'm not sure if Garrett is gonna leave Lens, bro. I don't know. Maybe it will just offer his own thing, like a 1-on-1 inside of. I'm not really sure. Work on X. That's true. Oh, that's really true. Let me see. 3 minutes. By the way, I will be down to take this CISD, guys. Let me check it M5. Yeah, I will be willing to take it. I'll be willing to take it. Back to that low. Down to that low. I forget that CISD. Let me see ES. Wow, ES did get the closure. Damn. I did get the closure on ES. But yeah, unfortunately now the only one I can trade is NQ. So we got the 4-hour trading away from the hive day. There's that one stage cracking correlation here. C2 closure still respecting the gap. We traded below a level, so if we're gonna reverse, this is the only area we'll do it from. If not, we're just gonna expand to that low. So probably I will move my stop with break even with that low, and then if it's just probably gonna expand, it's just gonna go to low. So that would be the thesis for that trade. Just go ahead and put the stop. That's the only issue, is like the stop is a little bit huge. So probably hopefully we can trade above like 4 minute swing here. That open high and then continue lower. That would be also clean. Let me see the chat. Postmore there is having. He is leaving the lens. Oh wow. Are you sure? Because I saw him talking about opening a mentorship, but I was like, maybe I was just gonna do it like Still on the lens, but try to do something by yourself. Like try to open like one-on-ones again, or but like if he was gonna do a new mentorship poll, bro, the lens is gonna take a big hit. A lot of people joined the lens just because of him, and yeah, he would be making a lot of money. Like if he goes for his own mentorship, a lot of people would be subscribing to his stuff. So yeah, like the community is still like T trades and also EMs. So I don't think he got like a big portion just like T trades and stuff. So that's gonna be a lot beneficial for him. So hopefully we can manage to get something with him. Hopefully, but he is bigger than me. So he's bigger than me like in terms of following. So I don't know if it would kind of come down to the show, but we'll try. We'll give it a try. Yeah, and now he's leaving it. Oh, I did not see that. Is it on Twitter? Let me see GxT. Garrett. Oh, even if you go to Linktree, it doesn't show that he's on a lens. Okay. I see. So now I want to create the best students and educators with comes far and we're still just scratching the surface. So many more lives to change. Soon I will be able to put all my focus and energy into this for the first time. I cannot wait. There's so much more in depth. Okay. In IG, okay. Bro, y'all know everything. Damn, bro, that's the beauty of having chat. Like it's just damn, GG's, man. Let me go to Garrett. Is this like a story or something he did? Yeah, it's not there. So I think it was a story. Anyways, NQ is setting up. I'm gonna just go with the hide candle, man. Yeah, I might just go with the hide candle. And then go for 2R. Which is a little bit beyond that TP. That's the only issue. So I'm just gonna go to 4 to 5 minute. I think I got trader weight somewhere in here. I got trader weight. Not here. Not here. Where is it? 1 second, boys. I gotta log into my trader weight. Damn. Bro, now. Oh my god, man. Oh my god. It's like a 3 seconds for accounts close. Fuck. Shit. Come on, man. Come on, come on, come on. Copy. Paste. Where is it? Bro. Paste. Go to password. Take that one. Put it there. Log in. I think that should do it. Come on, come on, come on. Please be fast. Come on. Please, 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 please. Please. Oh my god. I don't know why Trader Vate decided to do like their terminator here. Look at that, bro. Look at that. It's still just freezing up. Look at that, bro. It's still frozen. Come on, man. Oh my god. Don't tell me it's expanding lower. I hope it's not expanding. It's still, bro. It's still frozen up. Look at that. Look at that, bro. It's still frozen up. Come on. Live. Oh my god. Connect again. Come on. You got it. You got it, Trader V. Come on. Copy. Then go to paste. Log in. Okay, good. Not good. Oh my god. Please. All right, fine, perfect. Just market reviewed it directly, man. I just didn't know what's going on. I'm just like, let me hit it. But I don't know how much I'm risking. I just was like, 2 contracts are there. Just this. Oh, I took this one also too. Forgot to mention it. I got to tag that here. Tag it in here. Oh my god, 2 hours like really far. But how much I'm risking? That's the question I should answer. 2 contracts, 285. Okay, that's fine. All right, we just keep the. Just gonna go ahead and put the stop the buy here. Just gonna go to another buy here. Or I will add another contract. I'll add another contract. All right. Confirm. Where's confirm? Okay. That's really it. If it goes, it goes. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Yeah, bro. That's really it for today. So I'm just like, you know, I'm just gonna put my stop here, man. Just gonna put my stop here. I'd rather be safe than sorry. And I'll try to manage my trade the minute we take this low out. For that trade, for the people that are asking, I think this was a 2-stage PSP on M15. Yep, I traded 2-stage, then got taken out. But it was like just you would want a contract. So I was like risking like $50 here or something. So. Now it's time for some music, man. Let me put in some music. Let me make sure desktop audio is not shared. Okay, it's not. Okay, it's looking good. It's looking good. How much I'm risking now? 3 contracts. 820. Okay, 427. Oh, but my stop is here, so it's like I think like I'm risking now $500. 3 contract. Yeah, 500. Exactly 500. All right, but I gotta be cautious with that, though, man. If we confirm the CIZ, I will trail my stop, man. I'll be a bit aggressive with that trade. Because looking at YM, bro, it's just like been expanding, and we traded way beyond the low, so. And if we fail to CIZ, you guys know the deal. Oh, wow. I don't like how it's setting up. It's flipping. Reacted off with the 11 swing. Let me look at the hourly. Oh, wow. She had it way beyond. Fuck, man. She had it really far away, but look at YM. It's just. I'll wait for that candle to close. If we start breaking that high, bro, I'm probably. Or I might just. Should I close now? I think I might just close now. Yeah. I don't like how far YM expanded, bro. Look at that shit. Just took out a low. And we should have below the low now. We have that SMT here. So probably we'll just start expanding higher. I'll just chill out for a minute. Yup. I'll just wait for a new confirmation. Especially that YM just traded below a drawn liquidity. I want to see that failure to manipulate signature, and then I will take it. That's what I'll do. Especially with how like that candle was trading lower and then we failed to see ICD. We started breaking above the high. So I'll just wait for a new swing to form and then enter. That will be my like the filler to manipulate. Especially now we're trading from a gap, so that would be good. That would be good. And I would be able to get my 2R a lot easier. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. Positions and orders. Not positions and orders. Execution marks. So let's see. If we get that CISD, I'm gonna enter here again. That will be my new entry. And I would go probably with 4 contracts here now. I'll go with 5 contracts. And for that same TP, that'll be like $1,500, so. Let's see. So we got like this. Like it's still the weaker asset. So overall, it's still the weaker asset. So hopefully price doesn't just expand on the next candle. Hopefully it'll just close somewhere in here. And I can also market execute. I'm looking at like, let me see the projections. Yeah, that's good. 2.5, that's perfect. That's ideal. Like you want to be out somewhere in here between the 2 and 2.5. So let me see the 30 minute. Let me see the M15. Probably be out by this order block. Or like just, I don't know. Let's see. 3 minute is straight and lower. Let's see. Also, if we get the closure on M3, I will take it. Let me put my phone to charge and I'll be back. Okay. Alright, so M5 is just flipping, bro. Just flipped. We got a minute for the candle to close. Also on M3, like a minute for the candle to close. Let's see. Look at YM, bro. Damn. Let me see what's going on with ES. ES. Also expanded lower. Alright. Now I can trust NQ. Perfect. This is what I need. Like a bulky candle. That way, we're a little bit away from the current price, from the opening price. So when we get that CIST, probably the M5 is just gonna expand somewhere in here. That would be like a perfect trade. I love when we have also like a lower time frame 2-stage PSP in a gap after we took out a irrelevant swing. That's also like a really good signature for continuation lower. So 17 more seconds to go, and then I will take it like this. Put my stop here. Put my bar really close to the low. Again, I'm just probably gonna, not probably, like 100%, I'm gonna move my stop to break even here, and then I'll go for 2R. Because still got a lot of range to the downside, so. Okay, perfect. Come on, now I want you to start trading lower. But not now. Probably in the last 2 minutes. That way, my closure is gonna be somewhere in here. M15. We just closed. M15 just closed. Do we have a 2-stage PSP? Nah. ES? Nope, 2. Okay. M3. So it's gonna sit on alert here. M5. I just didn't like the fact that we were about to see ISD. Especially I'm not sure if we formed that swing earlier on or not. And then we were about to close below. And just start expanding. Then when I checked YM, we took out a major low on an hourly. So that's why I had to close the trade there. Yeah, look at YM, it's just dead. It's just dying. It's on that same minute. That's why. Oh, that's NQ. GC. There's something going on with gold? Not really. CL? Not really. 90 minute. Yeah, so I'm just gonna stick with gold. I'm just gonna stick with that. Thank you. Let me see. One sec. Let me check something here. All right. Four-hour. No, we just showed about the high. Okay. Failure to displays. Hourly. Nothing really there. Only have a two-stage PSP here. Yeah, look at gold. It's going for that same high. For this high. Look how far silver is. Alright, let's see. Alright, so far this other block is doing its job, but like ideally I want to see like a closure now if I want to take it to the downside. Alright, we're forming a new high. We're gonna take out that swing high then. Alright, come on. Take it out. So we're gonna have an SMT here. And then if we do so, I see that's gonna be also clean. That's gonna be really clean. What is the confirmation for this trade? Where is two stage? I was just looking for the failures to manipulate. That's what I wanted in that case. Better trade RTY to catch up on the same low. But I don't trade RTY, that's the thing. You took nope, I did not. I closed the trade early. Alright, so we have this SMT now. Come on, now this is the trigger. Come on, give me that CIST now. What RTY is doing? I would like to see what RTY is doing. Holy. Even if I wanted to take RTY, there was no way. Probably this is like an M1 swing, I guess. Just with how big that opposing run is, I think we'll have like an M1 swing. Yeah. That confirmation. But 10 a.m. is here, so I wouldn't be able to trade it anyways. And we got 60 viewers here and only 22 likes. Come on, guys. Let's probably like 35 likes, 40 likes, something like that. And so far, okay, it seems like that decision of closing the trade early was the wisest. Due to the fact that we kind of fell to CISD, YM trading into relevant swings that would require a new, what is it called? Failure to manipulate signature. So that was the wisest thing to do. Perfect. Let me go to Wind Hawk. One sec. finally. With silver, with CL, it looks really good. I just expanded the upside. We're aligned with that weekly again. This is just Monday. I would really be willing to take a trade here if we get a new swing formation. But I'll probably, like, at least you'll have to wait for an hour. At least. So you gotta wait for a little bit there. M5, let's see if we're gonna get that. Okay, if we inverse this gap, yeah, that trade idea is invalid for me. I wouldn't really be willing to trade without far price traded back into this order block. I could trade it way beyond the EQ of this order block. Yeah, so it's not really the cleanest for now. Okay, we're closing back into the gap. That's good. That looks good. And look at what I am, bro. Just melting. What the damn. Now we just need a strength switch. Like if we get an M15 strength switch on YM, bro, shit. My next target is gonna be this one now. At least this one. Especially with like looking at this swing, like this low put in the higher high. This one is anticipated to be put in a higher high. So this like failed to put in a higher high. Now this low it did its job. But like the only problem is like a spaced out swing. So you need like, check it out, probably a new swing here to continue. Or by the time we kinda close below here, or we kind of like trade below that level, that's just like a C2. So we can anticipate the C3 and C4 can expand into the level. But if we start expanding from now, that would be like a C3, probably trade into a C4. I wouldn't really be willing to trade back into the lows. Okie dokie, wow. Bro, the stop is still huge. M3. Probably like 3 contracts. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 contracts. All right. I'm not gonna keep waiting for it. So let's see what we have here. 90 minute. We got a 2-stage, not really 2-stage. No PSPs in a way. Let me see what's going on with RB. RB is the favorite one to trade. Oh well, we had a 2-stage here. 3-stage. 1, 2. Yep, we had like 1. We had like the second stage you could trade this candle, also this candle. Wow. What time was this? What time was it? 8:30. Perfect. Let me check. Oh wow, there was a clean entry here. Also, I could have, no, I couldn't have taken this one, but I could have taken this one. Stop there. That could have been perfect. This one. Stop there, and go for that high to the left. This one. That could have been really clean. 2R. Wow, perfect. Okay. NQ probably now is deciding to push lower. Hopefully. Come on. NQ is just, bro, it's taking a vacation. Keep on breathing. Nothing we can be involved in here, bro. This move is just expanding. SHO. We have this two-stage PSP, but like what, to the high? M3, yeah, just like the PA is not the cleanest. Let's see, like the only idea that I really want to take is NQ to downside. Like that's like the only idea I want to take. And especially we're still like somewhat in premium with the overall range. And also if you take this range, not the best, but still, like it's fine. By the time we're gonna get like closer below, probably the range is gonna be somewhere in here, or. But yeah, my stop is gonna be just at that key of the candle, so with that new range, so. But like the worst area you want to be trading for is just like this AQ. Just look at that, bro. Just like a, yeah, just price just kind of tends to react from it. Both sides. I wouldn't really be willing to take this one, by the way. I will not take this M3. Yeah, I'll just wait for the M5. This one would like it would really help me get a better return. But I just like the M5. It looks a lot cleaner. Clean up close candles, gap. Yeah. So I'll just be a bit patient and go with this one. Even though like it will hurt the RR, but it is what it is. Let me go to M3. Go with this level from here to here. Let me just turn on the TTFM. And especially now we traded below the low, and now we're confirming that CISD. So now we know that we're not gonna reverse from this low. And where's the next relevant swing to kind of reverse off of? Is this one. Because now we have traded into a key level. And I always mention, guys, when you're kind of trading into a key level, we can either reverse from it directly, or we form a low and then we reverse from it to then continue higher. So in that case, we kind of formed this shallow. So, yep. You guys should listen to this one. Trill Mode. This is by Travis Scott. This is good. So, Trill Mode is just such a good one. It's a leaked song, I guess. Just like National Treasure by Drake. But I'm not sure like if that National Treasure is just like a true song or is it just AI? I'm not sure, man. So we got the closure on M3, by the way. We got the closure on M3, but I'm just gonna wait for M5. We're gonna wait for a bit. We're gonna be a little bit patient. Hopefully, we get a strength switch. If we get that strength switch, man, look how close YM is to that high. Ideally, we want to see YM continuing higher to gonna go and take out that high. And if it does, we'll have that one stage, and that will be that strength switch. Not really a strength switch. Like in terms of current PA, yeah, it is a strength switch because someone has expanded lower, traded below the low first. But in terms of like the overall, like this was stronger. Like look at that, traded above the high. But yeah, in terms of current price, it is the weaker asset. It will turn stronger, which will allow this one to kind of strength switch and just kind of expand. Yeah. So let's see. Let's see if we're gonna get that strength switch or not. If we don't, that would, even though like it's not the best, but yeah, it is. Sometimes you just gotta accept. So let's see. Seems like we're about to get it. But overall, man, this has been ranging. Okay, we got any. Oh, let me check the 90-minute. Not APSB. But we still that SMG. Again, this is like kind of the ideal C2 formation. We're gonna kind of form the high and also we confirm the auto block. Let's see. Now we got a new 90-minute candle. Like now, not only we're profiling a new hourly candle, 30-minute candle, but also like a 90-minute candle. So hopefully this candle is just gonna start expanding lower. This is 9:30. 9. Where's 9? Let's give a. Let's see. Okay, seems like I'm gonna just break lower. Come on, YM, can you trigger that one stage, please? So look, we have like a minor strengths where look that. It's now starting to become stronger. This one's put in a lower low. So let's see. Let's see. Wow. Is there a big delay on stream or not? Is it like a 10-20 second delay or just like 3, 4, or 5 seconds delay? Let me know, guys. I would like to know. What just happened? My alerts are gone. What the fuck? Did they log me out of Tradeovate? I'm still on. Did I remove it by mistake? Did not pay attention, man. Let me look at the chat. Just 5 sec. Perfect. And you could just bark. And cat. Okay. 5 sec. Nice. That's good. That's fine. But to be honest, guys, I don't like how we're forming now on NQ. But let's just see it. Let's see. I don't like look at the retracements. Look at that candle's retracement, then trading back lower. Let's see if we're gonna have like a solid break there or not. All right, let's just hit the ladder. Come on, sell, bro. What the fuck? What the fuck? Wait. Oh my god, bro. Is it okay? I was like shit. Let's see if we're gonna get the retest or not. Dun, 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 dun. Gonna go for 2R here. Forming a new gap, which is good. As long as we haven't taken out a lot. Oh my god, bro. As long as we haven't taken out a lot, I would still be down for price to return. I would still have my entry on. Now what do we see? That string switch. Put in a higher high. Put in a lower low. So it filters this place below the low. We have that string switch too. But let's wait. Hopefully, like why I'm still holding that trade for one reason. It's just for this M15 to get taken out when I have that one stage. That's the only thing why I'm holding that trade. Just because we're a bit closer to M59. If we're not, I would have removed the limit from the get go. Because this one is the weaker asset. Now it's starting to string switch, become stronger. This one's becoming weaker. At a low, at a relevant swing, which, yeah, we should be taking out the highs. But let's see. Let's give it one more chance. If it goes to the stop, that's it. That will be it for me today. If it cut a low, move my stop or break even, and then yeah, that will be it. So let's see. If it filter displays this low again, bro. Let me see. Come on, confirm this opposing candle. Like again, if this candle closed, bro, without confirming this opposing candle, it's just gonna be the same case, just like earlier. So what I will do right now is just move my stop just above. Yeah, I'll just move it a brick. Let me see. If we fail to see CISD, you guys know. You guys already know my plan. How we go with it. So if we confirm the CISD, I would leave my stop here. If we don't, then I'll just move my stop or my closer trade. Just like I did with the first entry. That's how I go with my management. So far, but yeah, it's about I think by the time we're gonna close, it's just gonna continue lower. Then I'll have to move my stop or break even, or I might just trail my stop here now if we get a clean closure here, because we have that 2-stage here. We got a 2-stage PSP, so like also lower time frame, 2-stage PSP should hold. But if we fail to see IZ, I'll just close the trade. All right, seems like it's gonna start flipping, so I'm just gonna put it by stop there. Because yeah, about a minute is gonna continue up. I'll probably start flipping. Yep, I'm out. Let's see. You confirm the order block, I'm gonna move my stop here. If we don't confirm the order block, this is the failure to CISD. Let's see. Bro, my management is just... Let's see. Oh, ES took out a low, bro. What the fuck? Everything took out a low already. Look at that. Alright, so now I just gotta keep my stop at break even, dog. Yeah, look at that. Now I have to wait for a new failure to manipulate. What's up? And look at that. Like, we got like 1, 2, 3 expansion candles already. C2, C3, C4. And this one traded into the low. So, this might be that trigger for reversal. So, yeah. Let me see one thing. Oh, like 1 to 1 is like way beyond here. Let's see. Let's see if it's just gonna continue lower to that 1 to 2 or not. Okay, so let's wait and see, dog. Alright. So far, so good. Like, what I noticed is the trades that really play out is probably say within the order block with like a candle or two, maximum two candles. And the high, for example, this is an order block, right? I want to enter off of first candle, second candle, because we always form a swing with like three candles. So we have one candle here. The second third touches the order block third. This high always kind of stays protected if we're gonna continue lower. Like price will the fuck around for days, but I will not take out a high out. Like this is what I noticed with my winning trades. So like let's just go to a random, I don't know, somewhere. Then you'll see. But not now. Let's do it later on. You guys will see. Like the ones that really play out quickly. That's what I do. This is what they do. Because they kind of now look at that. Jitter hot. The high stays protected, even though like price factor around for a bit, and then, but not in that case. Which here first high again failed to see ISD. That's why I closed my trade. Failed to see ISD. Which here a new high, and then you don't know if that's the high that's gonna get taken out of reverse or the high that I'm trading from. So why not take the risk and just, yep. Let's see. I wanna put you. On ice cream, on ice cream, on a scoop and dip it in. Tryna show you, girl, I'm different. I get some. Alright, I see ES is filling to reverse from that low, so let's see. Let's say we're gonna go for the lows. That's gonna be great. That's gonna be a great Monday. Just like previous week Monday, where we took that ES long. This was T-Trade's vid from last week. Why continuations fail? Did not check it out, but I will give it a shot. Also, talking about what? Failing to CISD? Because the first CISD, I've been doing it for like this, but sometimes it fucks you up. Not gonna lie. Sometimes I close the trade and then it goes. But man, my job is just to kind. Yes. Oh, nice. Because if you really check, like if price is gonna continue, it will not reverse for me. Like look at that. We break above. We broke above again. Like look at that. We failed to CISD with that candle. What happened? We took out a low. And look at that. Once you gotta fail to CISD, price just starts fucking around. Again, look at that. We failed to CISD. We CISD later on, but still we fucked up the low. And then continues. So I don't wanna be chopped up, bro. Like we failed to CISD, I'm out. I'm just close there or put stops at break even. If you're in any spot where you can move stops to break even, that's good. But if it's within your stop loss area, the only thing you can do is just close the trade and accept the loss. So let's see. Hopefully, NQ doesn't reverse from here. That would be beautiful. And ES just kind of continue for that low, and then we get that 2R. That would be beautiful. So let's see. Hopefully, that would be how much? 800, almost $900. So that would be beautiful. That would be a beautiful day. So let's see. If not, that's gonna be minus 50 or minus 60 on that first trade. Like for example, if I was on a trade, look how how long I would have had stayed on that trade on drawdown. 24 minutes. So I think I'm gonna take a break even right now. We have a two-stage PSP here. Let's see. Let's see if that two-stage is gonna hold. If this one closes C2, that's a good sign. Confirm reaction off of the order block. We have this C2, this two-stage, but again, it's not the highest probability. But it would be good. Let's see if we're gonna get to 90. 90 before 70. If we get to 70. Oh, okay. We're taking a break even here. Let me put ICT face before I take a break even. Hopefully. Come on. Wait. I'm putting somebody. I'm gonna put his face here. Okay, come on. Save the trade, dog. Save the trade. I think it's gonna save us, bro. What account size do you trade? And how much do you risk? 50K? And I risk $500, man. It's a lot, but that's what I do. Do you have any info on CMA restrictions on some countries? This was not sure, bro. That's not something I can help you with, bro. Sorry. Last week, that's happened like I think 3 weeks ago or 4 weeks ago. Like 3 weeks ago, when there was a policy with like CME, but I don't have a lot of info about it. So, all right. So ICT Face is doing their job, man. Thank you guys. Thank you, Michael. Michael what? Michael Huddleston or something like that. ICT full name. Let me see his full name. Michael Hull. Michael G. Huddleston. Okay. Michael Huddleston. And shout out to ICT, bro. Often. I don't know if his face is. I don't know if he's like if his face is here. Would he be able to take the live stream down? I'm not sure. But anyway, let's just keep it there. It's on the internet, so. Call up Ah, come on, ICG. All I care about money and the city that I'm from. Bro, I wanna guys, I wanna play this one, but on stream, but they will take a stream, man, on same minute. By the way, Drake is top like he's been the first on my Spotify Wrapped for like 4 back-to-back years. Yeah, shit. It works. Yeah, it seems like, bro. This is my new strategy, bro. Once I'm up 2 ticks, 3 ticks, move stocks to break even. Put ICT face and hope for the best. New strategy. No GxT, none of that, bro. Like just keep it ICT face strategy. And what we're gonna do right now. Drizzy Drake. Da-da-da. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. How much I'm up? I think $100, 150, 172. You know what I'm sipping. I teach you how to mix it. You're the only one. But I don't trust these niggas. I don't trust this niggas. You're the only. You know what? We're gonna put this one just where YM is. Oh, I cannot make it small. No worries. I don't trust this bit. They might catch me sipping. For anybody coming to trading industry, bro, like trust issues with the whole whatever corona. Trust issues. Add more picks to get instant delivery. Oh shit. Good to see Usher rolled out. Oh, of course, man. Yeah, bro. It's just especially that I like Coffee Bean. I think not a lot of people listen to Coffee Bean, but bro, it's just such a chilled one. Coffee Bean, where's Coffee Bean? Where is it? And stop trying to be God. Bro, I love this one. Also your eyepiece. Like sicko mode, this speaks for itself. Coffee bean, bro. Just beautiful. There's no known that I'm gonna. Come on. Come on. I can tell. I can tell. I can tell. Some people don't like me no more. Come on. Come on. Give me my one. Give me my $900. Come on. I'm setting up right now. Come on. Hey. Come on, ICC now. I think I'm just gonna take that of like instant delivery. Go. Go. Come on. And I'm gonna do Control C, Control V, add one, but I have to flip it. I cannot turn it. Oh shit, bro. Like just to face to look. Now it's looking left to it, which is good. But I need one when he's looking right. Let me check. So that way, it will be good. ICG picture. Now I'm gonna take a break even. I'm sure. Once I add more ICC faces, bro, it'll. Oh, I found one. Let's go. Now they know I'm ICG, so I'll just use like the same thing he said. Like, oh, they were until my stop when I was live streaming. Okay. So now, as everybody's looking at the charts, we got five Michaels. Let's see if it's gonna put some pressure on the trade or not. Like what's like one of the best ICG quotes? Nobody can do it like me. His ego is just nobody can do it like me. Alright, so I'm just gonna go with nobody can do it like me. Alright. No, we got it, boys. No, we got it. Alright, let's see. The minute he is gonna seek out a low. Bye bye NQ. This one. I would love you better. I don't know. It's such a good one. You're telling me you're falling out of love for me. Hope you can find someone to love. This is about ICT. Like, I hope you can find someone. Cause I'm interested in ATL Jacob ATL. But me you're falling out of love with me. Hope you can find someone to love. Counting on little reason love and treating it like nothing. Taking our memories of love and treating it like gossip. It's my love for my grandma to make me gentler when I care for you. Tell me you're falling out of love. It's breaking my heart in two. What the fuck I'm saying? What I need to mute myself, bro. Almost in my... Come on, bro. Come on. Drop. You telling me you're falling out of love for me. Hope you can find someone to love you better than I did. Taking me falling out of love for me. Hope you can find someone to love you better. Come on, man, drop. Come on, ES. Bro, the minute is gonna hear the alert, I'm just gonna close the trade, bro. Because now we just got another one into the draw liquidity. But I don't think NQ is gonna reverse somewhere in here, man. I don't think. And we'll just continue for the lows. Bro, come on. Let's give it like 10 minutes, man. How much I'm up now? Probably, let's guess. This is 900, so this will be like 600. Like 575. 575. Oh, 568. Fuck, I missed it. Shit, I was too close. Chicken. No, we're back to the basics. Holy. Oh my god, bro. Pure future, man. You don't want. Hey. Add one. That's true, bro. We got 3 here and 2 here. So these two are not doing their job, man. I'll add one here, man. So that would be his face would be the retest. They should not trade below. Like they should not trade beyond his beard. Hottest commodity covering of hold on if I need you to be there. Asking for your art if it's real and it's true. Ocean in the sea, GINC, lunchtime and shit, there was nobody diva. Let me see the comment, bro. Bro, y'all know that I'm standing up right now? I'm just almost dancing, bro. With the song. I love Future, man. I think Future is my top 2. My top 3, I think, is 21 or Travis Scott. Hey. You know what I'll do, man? Give me my buy stop. Bruh. Give me the buy. What's up? Give me the. How can I get the buy stop, man? What the okay, finally. Just gonna put it at the higher candle, man. Just gonna keep trailing, man. Aggressive trailing, bro. We'll save something. Not the total. At least I wanna get like 500 out of the trade. Let me see. That's 500. 3 contracts. Okay, that's 300. Okay, perfect. You're the one. You're the one. You're the one. You're the one. Okay, I think it's about to close. What about to close, man? Come on, yes, go. Ah, you're the one. You're the one. Come on, yes. Come on, bro. Drop. Okay, good. NQ is expanding, which is really good. Come on, bro. I ain't got, bro. Oh my god. I'm so impatient nowadays. I just want to close my trade and go. Come on, I'm just gonna wait. This one's gonna open a high and then expand into a draw. But bro, my stop is there, man. You ain't gotta do me dirty like that. Come on. Is there? You know what? Let me. Yoga. Chill. Chilled music. Coldplay. Stick. Oh man. All right. Come on, drop. Why don't you fuck? Ah, I think they don't see this one. All right, let me put it here. Let me put it in here. All right, I'm just gonna wait. Now we gotta listen to your daddy. Your daddy's. Oh, I forgot about ES, bro. ES is the one that's making trouble. ES. You better listen. Listen to your daddy. Listen to your daddy. All right. Go here. All right. Let's see if the ICT magic is gonna work. What the fuck, man? True magic. What the fuck, man? New strategy on stream. I'm just gonna go with like the current high. Just gonna go with this one. Because if this one starts flipping bullish, man, we already traded below the low, formed the high. So yeah, I'm just gonna go aggressive with the management. And my hand is gonna be here. Come on, can we hear a full TP? Come on. Oh my god, bro. This one I give him my TP. You know what? No, I'm just gonna let it do its thing. I ain't gonna close now. We're reacting from the -2. That's what I'm seeing. But like ES needs to close below. Need to trade lower. And I think I will hold it for like after we close below for 5 seconds. Because sometimes when we trade below or low, we just expand. So I'll wait for like 5 seconds and then see. Either I'm gonna get taken out now, or ES is gonna expand lower and allow me to get out. Let me add one more daddy. That's like your last chance. And I'll put it just like the range of the candle. Bro, look at that, man. The ICT strategy is working, man. What the fuck? Why? I swear it's working, man. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. You ain't gotta do me dirty like that. You ain't gotta do me dirty like that. Perfect close. All right. I did not wait for the 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I could have closed here. Okay, perfect. ICG strategy worked. Perfect. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn that on. Turn that shit on and we just... Let's go. ICT, thank you. And I think I'm just gonna go to the lows now. But anyways, ICT phase did do the job actually, so there's nothing here to be said. I think we're gonna go for the lows, bro, but I just don't want to miss out on... Okay. If you're still holding, we're going for the lows. Nice. So, yeah. All right, let me see if it's gonna go. Let me see, but I'm sure it's gonna go. So yeah, ICG phase did do a good job. So yeah, so we did go for the full TP. So congrats if you're still holding. Congrats. And this is for y'all. Let me see if okay, y'all can hear. Okay, perfect. So that was a beautiful short. We did actually make money today. Thank you. And actually, bro, did you see when I was about to put like his face on a range of the candle? It just expanded. I was like, his face is also expanding. And now we're just gonna go for the low. But bro, I took my money out. I made my $900. I think less, probably like 800 or something. But that's also good. You don't have to worry. And what I've noticed is when I close the trade, this is when it starts expanding. But nonetheless, if I got taken out here, bro, that could have been the worst shit that could have happened. So, shit, that expanded to 1K. Damn. Anyways, congrats if you guys took that trade. That was a beautiful day, actually. Thank you, ICC, for saving us for the day. Your face actually did a lot of job, did a lot of work, and I think he's gonna be the first guest on stream. So I'll try to call him out. I'll be like, I use your face for my strategy. It helps a lot. It's more of like a volume imbalance, face imbalance, and yeah, it just works a lot. Hopefully, he can come on stream and we'll show him the strategy live. Yeah, when he hop on stream, I'll probably like use his strategy in front of him and see like, look at the power of your face. And then yeah, we can. So let me see the chat. And how long have we been streaming for? An hour and a half. Okay, that's good. ICG creating the sell impression. It did. Add one to the left. I saw that one. Yeah, they definitely will see. Refined an ICG. Yeah, that's the next collab. Yeah. Win huddle. Oh man. Yeah, so that's like, so come on. Now it's time to hit the thumbs up. We got 29 likes, 46 viewers here. So yeah. That would, and I want to see like W's in the chat. Oh man. So yeah, that's really it, guys. Let's see what gold is doing. Look at that. Fair to this place. 2-stage PSP. Damn, bro. Not a later 2-stage. Yeah, it's 2-stage PSP. Look at that. 2-stage PSP. Now it's just expanding, but it's not the best. NQ is the best. NQ is the best, bro. NQ is the play. So we took the first trade here. Stops over there. Then yeah, that was a beautiful. In terms of management, that was good. Yeah. Now, do you see the beauty? Like when I managed the trade and closed it, I could have survived like almost like 20 minutes of drawdown. But what did I do? Just close the trade, waited for a new invalidation level, and I almost had 0 drawdown. It just expanded like 2 ticks. Like I was like here minus 10 ticks or minus 15 ticks. And then within like a minute or two, yeah, I've never been in drawdown after. So that's the beauty of just like sometimes managing your trade and then waiting for a new invalidation level and getting on there. Sometimes you'll miss. You'll like, oh, we did trade at the extreme. We almost did trade at the extreme. Yeah, so yeah, that could have been like a extra, I don't know. Let me see. 3 contracts, like $100, like $150 because I closed a bit earlier. But that's just no worries. All right, so that was a close one. So where did I close my trade? It was somewhere in here for 1 and 2. Yep, it was here. All right. RV. Look at that. We have just like a 1 stage here. Maybe like a PSP on hourly. Not really, but ideally, like, oh, bro. Now I'm looking at discontinuation. I'm like, I want to go to the highs. New invalidation level. We have this SMT here. 30 minute. Let me see what's going on. 30 minute. But like now I'm coming down with ego, bro. So and like ICT phase doesn't work on oil, so yeah, it just works on indices. So yeah, my strategy wouldn't like work the best without his phase. So I'll just have to wait. All right, I just go ahead and close the stream now. Thank you guys for tuning in, and see you guys. I don't know, tomorrow. Yeah, of course tomorrow. So I'll try to post some videos today on IG. So hopefully we'll grow. That's because it will really help me reach out to other traders. And yeah, hopefully the idea is gonna work. But maybe like in a, I don't know, like in a month, I'll have the social presence that would allow me to invite guests. So thank you guys. Adios amigos. Mintien. Tomorrow. See you guys same time. Estas noches.